መጨረሻ ማርያምን በቃ በጣም ነበር የደበረኝ። እናቴ ትሞት በጣም ነበር የደበረኝ። በቃ እኔ ምንም ቃላቶች ሊገልጽላችሁ አልችልም። አንቺ ቆይ አሳይሻለሁ። ማርያምን
Did you just say Daisy?
ቆይ ብድርሽን ትመልሻታለሽ። አሳይሻለሁ።
Were you just talking to someone else and you just said Daisy?
What?
Did you just say Daisy? Daisy?
Daisy what?
Or Layla Sim?
I said Daisy, yeah.
Again, it was Layla Sono. I'll go by you.
Luli, her name is like Luli. Luli.
Guineas, you said D. Okay, it's okay.
I did not say D. Huh.
Anyways, hi guys. I'm eating now.
24 hours eating?
Huh?
እዚሁ ነኝ ታዲያ
I eat like one time today, like guys, on Gize. Zare, I eat like on Gize. And I make banana something.